Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to bundle item on Mercari as a seller using phone. Let's get started. First, open the Mercari app on your phone and then go to your selling listings. Next, choose the item you want to bundle together. It's best to bundle items that match like clothes from the same brand or similar accessories. Once you have decided on the item, message the buyer. If someone is interested in buying multiple items, tell them you can create a bundle so they can buy everything in one order. To make a bundle, go back to the item listing, tap the three dot or more option and choose create bundle or edit price to add the other items and adjust the total pricing. To creating the bundle, send the bundle link to the buyer. They can now purchase all the items together at your set price. Make sure to update the listing to prevent other buyers from accidentally purchasing just one item that's part of bundle. And that's it. By bundling items and communicating clearly, you can sell multiple items at once and make your Mercari sales faster and easier using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.